Seriously?
So what is that busman on the rest? Oh, I wrong place, you go.
Yeah, man.
What me? You in the field, someone else or one?
No, I have to see you.
And I have to respect the security. Today. I feel like some vegan first.
What's the lips there?
All I know is
Where? There's some Alana High School with that one. Das, Damian Das. Das.
Drive. Excuse me. Kitchen's closed. Some leaving, some coming. We come. Complimentary drink or coffee? We get to something else.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so I'm Chris, welcoming you to Walton. We have some chill towels out here for you. We'll also be having some welcome cocktails as well.
Oh yeah.
So, but before we get to that though, I'm just going to ask you to just tell me how many bags you have. I'm going to give you some tickets. And then you remove the end parts.
You're Jamaican?
And you keep these.
You're Jamaican, Chris?
Alright. No problem. If you need more than one, let me know. So you remove the end part, you put the other part on your luggage, and you just leave it with us, okay? Alrighty.
Okay,
How was the journey coming in?
Hectic. Because of these people.
One
One for me.
Alright. One for you.
One for me.
Alright. One for you. One for you. Alright. One for you.
So we're checking in.
One.
Check.
Oh, Jimmy, well, you're so sunny. Thank you very much.
So you tear out the end first and you wrap the other.
Whole trip. How many bags? One, two, don't nothing. If you know how many bags you have, we have one. Okay.
Alright, so one for you. Two for the lady there. That's 3, 4, 5,
We're rich now.
6.
So we're checking in. So let me welcome you guys to the vlog. So it is a very exciting vlog. We're at
Does everybody have a drink? Everybody coming down in that one as well.
we're going to be chilling for a day.
If I missed anybody, let me know.
So I'm sorry. Unfortunately, Kim is not here with me because staff trip.
Driver.
Expensive.
so much, Chris.
It's expensive.
One more.
And we're just here.
appreciate that, friend.
My pleasure. So now we'll be coming off.
So we're going now? Yes, yeah.
Oh, that's so bad. Oh my God. Whenever I was a part,
One color, I don't know now. Just help us from the Well, then everybody up here with the bags. Ladies, please remember your bags up here. So guys, when I am going inside, we talk to. Oh, thank you, sir. You're welcome. Yes. Would have been in the lobby. Okay, I have to go up. Tell me about going to tag my bag. Haley, I run with my new parents. What is this? We have to go through so much. Lucky for my drink, it's compliment.
So just leave the bags right where they are. We'll take them up, alright? Alright. You can leave it right here, man.
Oh, you want me to say weed?
So that's it?
You know me chase out here, this time I say Mr. Kusako. What?
Innocent cocktail.
No, but me never know say. Never realize that I have that policy. Hold on. Oh god, this place is so pretty. That guys, look here. Hold on. I'm going to give you guys a better view. I look so nice. I look so nice right now. And the view. Oh. Yes, honey. Oh, this is so good. I'm going to show you guys the view. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is so nice. Guys. We're coming from overseas and we live in like the Negril area and stuff. Royal Town is a very nice place. If you have the coins, that's it. If you have your money, and you can come on Royal Town, Negril, come on Royal Town, Negril. Over here, pretty so far. I'm in the lounge, the area where it's like a relax and team. I'm here with my co-workers here on as outing and stuff. So I'm really missing Kim though. I wish he could be here. We enjoy all of this with me and stuff. That's part of it. Yes guys, this is where we're at. This is what we're doing and things. I can't wait to see my room. I can't wait to see. Oh, inside our rooms after we stay. Yeah, I can't wait to see. But the lounge huge, like the lounge goes all the way back down there, so all the way back down. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I've never been to a hotel, 5-star hotel before. So kinda excited. I've never coming at this parish before, so I'm really excited. I'm genuinely excited. So guys, just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. It's going to be very entertaining and very nice. We're just here to stay one day and one night, so I'm going to make the most of it. Mr. Brown!
Okay.
Come sit down, man. Enjoy the view. Come, Mr. Brown. Let me enjoy the view. Let them stay over there, so they don't want to enjoy the view, Mr. Brown. That's true. I think somebody called me just now. Enjoy the view, yeah, Mr. Brown. Nice place, not true? Yeah. Yes, man. Like forward from Mr. Brown. Very nice. I love it. It feels big. It's like, why? Guys, I will go around and I'll show you guys what this place looks like. Cause it's breathtaking. I'm not telling you what I just be sitting here so alone. If I the only this me get for just one day, I'm gonna take it. Yours is just nice. It's just pretty. Oh, God, nice about Jamaica. I think we as Jamaicans need to explore the country more before we go outside or really go experience another man's country, because I tell you Jamaica have the most beautiful sceneries that you can ever imagine, and me myself don't even know majority of them. If we, travel, take trips, go do all these nice things, come at these kind of places and enjoy it. It is beautiful, I'm telling you. Alright guys, so when we check in on the room and thing, then we talk back to the and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting absolutely. Thank you. Thank you.
Them a PS
Yeah, man, see, this there. They have like sandwiches on there. So I just had a few snacks, then I just got an Americano. I've never had an Americano before. This is the time when I'm going to try all the things that I've never tried before. So I got what I get? Turkey 30 something sandwich. I'm gonna get one. Get one pound. I got an Americano coffee. So I'm going to eat this. So I'm gonna or it's not quite ready as yet, so that is where we are. I'm gonna try to get something to eat first and then think how we are really ready. Yeah. Okay, so I am about to have something to eat. I am dining all by myself and I'm enjoying the view. Yeah, it is so beautiful out here. And I'm coming out, I'm going to show you the exact restaurant that I am at, and then you will know where exactly there. And then, yeah. Just sit down, just grab a glass of water, sit down, and then we decide when we want to drink. So it's a lovely restaurant, I think. What kind of restaurant is it? French restaurant?
We have the a la carte. Most of the restaurants are a la carte, but they're open in the evening. This one is a la carte. It's open for breakfast and lunch also for and then we have Zen, chef experience. That's one is the extra.
Oh, okay.
And one of the sports bar, you walk.
Yeah, I walked that way.
Yeah, we have a variety of restaurants. Armadillo as well, that's a la carte. Most of them down this stretch are a la carte. So, like it's for dinner, but you'd have to make reservation before for them. This one you don't have to make reservation. You can just go out.
Okay. So this is a French restaurant? Or
This one is a buffet.
It's just a buffet?
Yes, so we would get your drinks and you just
Yeah, we just come in.
so we would have to go to the buffet. I can show you there.
Okay. Alright, so maybe get something to drink. Go see.
Oh, you're here alone?
Yes. I'm not company on that. At a buffet. I have to shop to get my drink.
So here you would get what you want. Down the line or whatever.
I just pick up what you want.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll share for you. And then I'll get your drink.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I have to get up. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm going to have to join the line now. I'm going to have to decide exactly what I want. I think I'm going to order something salty. I'm really honestly not. Feeling all that hungry. But we're just going to get something snack. I use this? Again, again, sorry. Some tortillas. Hello. May I have the dancing? Probably. Yeah, basically we're used to it.
Yeah, wait.
Get some ketchup. Ketchup with the cabbage. I'm trying to multitask. Like, these are probably the weirdest looking. What really actually mean of looking at me? For taking this. Big song. Let's see if we can make chicken and so much things. Sorry. I think
Yeah, man, how you doing?
they have a lovely line up here. Hold on. Try to not to sauce. I get some potatoes. Some potatoes with stuff. I'm not more now. Let me come back here. I think I'm going to come back later for whatever else I want, and stuff. So I'm just enjoying my own company. I miss Kim. I miss Kim a lot. As many would I enjoy this moment. Alright, so I'm gonna have to drinking because
So we have wines and we have like just regular sodas, or we have blended drinks, pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, a variety of cocktails. Feel like one of our special.
yes, just give me something.
Alright,
That more better.
something.
Yes, please. So I'm getting something alcoholic and thing. My blood eat and all that. My battery soon dead too. Room, get my room yet because ready yet and thing. So because I just that one on the battery soon dead. I don't know why people them there. But we're here to enjoy ourselves. So I just enjoy my little own company. Coming out, I feel kind of awkward with anybody else. So that's why I wish Kim be there. Alright. So I'm just enjoying the view. Let me show you what I'm looking at. You look blurry. This is my view right now. So, and this is what I'm going to have to eat. This is what I chose to eat, sorry. Just something simple, nothing too extra. If me get a plate full of food, I'm sure I'm not gonna eat a full of it. And you better eat in small portions so you can actually get a taste of every little thing we never eat before. Everything like this I probably eat before, but not in, you know. So I'm gonna make one sandwich, chicken and bread, little thing, whatever. I want alcoholic juice. That is going to be it. Until I get my room, I'm going to do a special room tour. I'm going to do a special room tour. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, it's going to be an exciting time. We'll leave tomorrow afternoon, I think, or around here, wherever. So I'm just going to enjoy the time, enjoy my own company. I do have friends, you know, but they have friends too. It's a good chill and thing. If the camera goes, then you know that the camera battery has died, and then we charge and get back to you guys. Alright, so I'm not going to leave you out of the loop. Everything will be in the loop. Alright, so enjoy this vlog, guys. If you do enjoy this vlog, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up as usual. Subscribe if you have not, and comment down below something nice.
You look cute.
Thank you, sir. Alright. Thank you. If you think me cute, don't you can write it in the comment section. Alright, guys. So I'm going to try and eat something because I'm not eating from man, and really and truly I'm not eating from man, but I think yes, food here. Stand up for yes, food milk. So I don't even know. So I'm going to try different foods. As I said before, I'm trying to take another chicken. I'm trying to take some I never tried before, but creature of all habits, just stick to it sometimes. I need to break out of that and get some stuff that I never did before. So I'm going to make one sandwich, one jerky chicken burger. Some tortillas Spanish style with some potatoes. Probably not the most enticing right now, but looks good to me. I'm going to go. When a drink comes, you know what is that. I'm gonna get rid of water. But must be quality of the camera change, then and tell me if you guys see a difference with the stability of the video, because we bought an handheld tripod. So yeah. So tell me if you see a difference. Trying to get some sauce. Oh. Good. food looks so good. Can you hear it? It's so good. I miss him, like, for real. Okay, man, I miss you. Really miss you.
There you go.
Okay, so what is this called
It's
now?
my special, so I hope you like
Okay.
it. Alright.
Thank you. So this is a special. It doesn't have a name. Janice. Alright, Janice, make a special for me. A bit. I got a special made by Janice. Let's see how it tastes. How it tastes, Nancy? Yes, Janice, that one in there.
Okay, make sure say I should get you.
I shoot my it tastes good, man. That one that tastes nice, Janice. Then they kick out alcohol with lime. You can taste the lime in that. So, see? See lime I swirl around in me? So, tastes nice. Take time, bro. No, I get drunk. After it's tasty. I'm gonna let it color. Color real pretty. Alright guys, so I'm not going to chill up my bathroom too long. The food tastes good, the drinks taste good, the view good. So I'm gonna go eat. And then I'm gonna talk about food. I'm gonna get your room. No, that would be next at this. Then we see how the rest of the proceedings. So I'm gonna enjoy my food and my drink and the view. Later.